Prabhupada speaks in the Bhagavad Gita, not desiring the satisfaction of being honored in the world. That is called, which is rare. There is no desire of any satisfaction of being honored. Queen Kunti, her sons have become the emperor. She is so humble, not proud. Yes, now I am mother of the king. Offering such beautiful prayer. Namaste Purusham Tvadyam Ishvara Prakate Param Alaksham Sarva Bhutanam. So beautifully she is offering prayer. So you take Bhishma, Lord is standing in front of him, so humble. So humility we can see as a case study, predominating the qualities of devotees. And humility is a transcendental phenomena. It is not as a sadhaka. What humility we are talking about is a transcendental quality that comes when we come to Krishna consciousness. What we show in this world is a shadow.